Everyone and welcome back to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video we'll be explaining you 2 hours chart, daily chart and finally weekly chart of the crude prices, how the price has moved in the last week and how the price can move in the next week. Price currently trading around $66.30. If you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, the price if sustained above a level of around 66.5, there is a upside movement can be seen and it can cross a level of 67.26, which will be after August of 25 we have seen this level. So probability of going towards 68.8 can be seen, and from there it can move above a level of 69.5 to a level of 70.5, because then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see there will be a further rise. But if it keep falling below 65.2, chance of going towards 62.9 can be seen, and from there it can go towards 60.32, because this is the zone where the price was moved for so long. So if it keep moving below a level of around 63, chances of going towards 62.7, and then this zone can be there. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Now, if you look at the day-wise chart, you will understand how the price is moving. If you look at the day-wise chart, we can see there is a clear U pattern has formed. After that, there is an upside. But this particular U pattern has not formed. Okay, so what this pattern says that the price should go below $55. Okay, about you can say a level of $53.9. Then it bounced back, then this pattern support this trend. But we have not seen this pattern has supported this trend. But if we see a smaller pattern, this smaller pattern already supported this trend, and the price has moved below that level and touched a level of $54.8. Okay, so now if you look at this trend, where we have seen a very light pattern towards this side, so chances are high it has not touched a level of 53.8, which is a strong level. Okay, so we can see if the price started falling below again $55, chance of crossing 53.8 is there. Okay, and if you see this particular smaller pattern, we have seen this pattern has supported this particular trend, as well as if it keep moving above a level of around 66.5, we can see there will be a further rise and it can move towards a level of 67, and if that sustain, a further upside can be seen towards 69, and from there it will cross a level of 70.8. Okay, so we can see there will be a further rise. But if it keep falling below this level, a level of 62.5 is a strong level, a bounce back can be seen. But if that didn't bounce back, we can see a level of 60.3 to a level of 58.9, and then a further low can be seen. Coming back on a weekly chart, so you understand how this weekly chart is working. If you look at this weekly chart, this pattern, if you see, we have seen the pattern has bounced back at this level from a level of around $54.8. Okay, which is just this particular level. Okay, that means this level is tested twice, so chances will be very high if it comes again below towards a level of 57.6, there is a higher chances it will break a level of 55, and we can see it will touch a level of $53.8. Okay, from there a bounce back can be seen, but if that didn't bounce back, we can see a further fall. But if the price rise above this level, we can see a level of $67, then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price will go towards a level of 68.8, and from there a level of 70.5 can be seen. Then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price will go further upside. Looking at this particular chart, what you can see, if you look at this trend, there are two bigger patterns are forming. See, this is the first bigger pattern, as you can see in this particular trend. This is the pattern. So if the price keep moving over 77.15, okay, chances are very high we can see a further upside. But as of now, if you see this particular smaller pattern, the price is already above a level of 65.8, so chances are very high this pattern is supporting an upside, and we can see the price will go towards a level of $68.08. And if the price sustain above this level, chances of going towards a level of 75.16 is there. 75.16, if you see these levels, this level is already weak, so we can see the price can rise above that level, and from there it can move towards a level of 85.12. Okay, what we can see looking at this particular chart, remember that if the price keep moving above a level of 65.8, chance of going towards a level of $68 will be there, and if the price moving of this level, probability of going towards 70.5 to a level of 74.76.15. Trailing your SL by around $1 is very important if the price started going up this level, or 0.5 if the price is not making much of a volatility. Okay, but if it keep moving out this level, best you can trail by 0.5, so at least you will capture upside movement. Okay, so it can touch a level of around $68, from there a level of 70.5, then to a level of around 74.28, then to a level of 75.38, then it can go cross a level of 76.9 because that level is already weak. So we can see the price will rise above that level, and yes, after that it can move towards 80.47 and then further high. But this pattern is supporting downside. So if the price started going below a level of around 59.6, then you can say a downfall, but the price is going towards upside. So suppose if the price sustain above this level, it can go towards 67 and then further high. But if it started coming down, it can come down towards $65. Okay, if the price fall below 65, then we can see it can go directly towards $63. And once the price fall below this level, chance of touching 60.15 is there. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, chance of going towards 58.8 is there. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall can be seen towards a level of $55.8, and then a further low can be seen. Because this level is already weak, so we can see the price will fall towards a level of around 55, and then there will be a zone breakout towards a level of $54. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it.